Hi, this is Christine with another journal. This is a travel themed journal, and I used an old book cover to make the outside. On the front, I have an image from a paper collection that was travel themed, and I mixed a whole bunch of different paper collections in here to use up what I had in my stash. So this title here reads Free to Roam. And I cut up some stamps from the paper collection. And here, this is South America. And I made the closure. It's just a simple elastic that goes around the journal. And I attached some little travel themed charms on here. I have a little sailboat. And a pair of sunglasses. I don't know if you can see this properly. Then I have the Eiffel Tower, cactus, and a windmill to represent Amsterdam. And on the side, I covered my stitching. I have 4 signatures in here, and I covered the stitching with this paper. And then on the back I have another little image, and it says "Let's get away," and that's also from the paper collection. So let me just remove this and I'll take you through the inside. Here I have a tag. I've got a whole bunch of tags in here that act as little pockets, and I've got these little cutouts. And I've got a plastic sleeve that I attached in here, and then again some more little cutouts that you can journal on, or you can use these to add little maps or whatever during your travels. And here's the first signature cover, and I've got a tag in here, and you can slide some pictures or other mementos in there. And these, I think, were coffee stain papers. Yeah, these were the coffee stain papers that I made a while ago. And then here's another piece of cardstock, and these were beautiful images, vintage style images that I attached. And I cut the corners. I just tore the corners to make it look old and well traveled. So there's some more coffee stain paper, and this reads New Adventures, so you can put photos there. There's another flap where you can slide stuff in. I've got some checkered paper. And here I have an envelope, and you can tuck some memorabilia in there. And then I have a nice vintage image of a beach on the back. Another little pocket tag here, and this reads, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Free to explore the world, and you can slide something behind there. I'm going to go through each of the pages because I'm going to put this up in my Etsy shop. So if anybody's interested, they'll see what it looks like. Here's another pocket. And then here's the next signature. Oh, before the next signature, I have the back section of the plastic sleeve, so you can slide something in there. And this reads Wander. Again, I tore the corners. I like doing that to give it an aged look. I've got some more coffee stained paper. This is scrapbook paper for a photo. And this was some writing paper with a little butterfly. And here you can journal inside and tuck something in there. Bamboo, I think this is. Love, and a map. So for people who love to travel. And then here I have a pocket on the side, picture of the ocean. And then here's another beach scene. And I like this paper because it reminds me of the ocean. Adventures Waiting, another place where you can slip something behind. Exotic. The world is your oyster. You could slide something underneath there if you wanted to attach a picture. You can tuck the corner in. So I didn't touch these plain pages so that they could be used for journaling as much as possible. So there's lots of room for memorabilia in there and photos, but there's also lots of room for journaling, which is what this is all about. Another envelope. Another pocket. And then here's the last signature. I have a few little tags in this plastic sleeve, but you can add photos and whatnot in there. Welcome aboard, and I've got some stamps on the side. And then here's another pocket, another vintage photo of the beach, or it's an image, not a photo. And then here, another pocket. Again, a butterfly. So there's quite a few pages in here, and I made this one in the shape of a pocket so you can slide something in there. And here there's a little side that you can stick something in there. And finally, one pocket on the back. And here's a really nice picture, vintage, of an old train. The back of the sleeve. And peace out. So that's my journal. I'll have it listed in my Etsy shop, and I'll include a link to it if anybody's interested in purchasing it. And otherwise, I hope that this gives you some ideas for your own journals, and as well as the little closure, how I attach little charms here. It's actually just a whole bunch of little jump hoops attached together, and I've got the charms, and I tied this to the elastic. Have a nice day and happy scrapping. Bye.